Fishing for an easy lunch, brunch, dinner idea, coming right up on Weekend at the Cottage. Welcome to Weekend at the Cottage. I'm Nick Manojlovic. I'm about to show you how to prepare a really beautiful, complete meal idea. We're doing a poached salmon, a couple of additional things I'm going to suggest you make along with it. The trick to this, it's super simple. Your meal will be ready in 20 minutes or less. It's that fabulous. We're starting at stove top. I have a large skillet. I'm going to add 1 cup of white wine. We're adding 2 shallots, thinly sliced, half of a lemon, thinly sliced. Toss in about 12 peppercorns. Sprinkle in a teaspoon of salt. Now comes a bed of your favorite fresh herbs. I'm using chives and parsley, but I also love the flavor of dill and tarragon in this recipe. We've created this beautiful bed in our skillet. Last thing, 2 cups of water. Place the cover on and bring it to a boil. Once the liquid comes to a boil, remove the lid, reduce the temperature to simmer, and we add in 4 fillets of salmon. You can use 6 or 8 ounce pieces. They go directly on top of this bed of now wilted herbs. Now we place our lid on the skillet. Our salmon poaches for 10 minutes. While it's poaching, how about we make homemade mayonnaise? Click up here for our easy to follow step-by-step guide, a 1-minute video on how to make homemade mayonnaise. Really easy. The one thing for this recipe though, I took the mayonnaise out of the food processor and then I like to add about a tablespoon of chopped capers and also a tablespoon of chopped parsley. Stir those 2 ingredients in and you have a very flavorful mayonnaise for your salmon. Our salmon is poached. I have a service platter, a sprinkle of fresh herbs. Gently take your salmon out of the pan over to your display piece, replacing all 4 pieces down. Final things before you serve, how about a sprinkle of fresh cracked black pepper? Now we're going to add a sprinkle of chopped parsley. Add a slice of lemon right on the peak of each piece of salmon, and then a dollop of our flavored homemade mayonnaise. You're ready to serve. And to serve this, you really don't need a lot. How about some steamed carrots and peas, and then our simple salad. And if you have some champagne or Prosecco handy, this is the perfect meal to serve some bubbly with. Before I try it, how about a reminder, head to weekendatthecottage.com, subscribe to our website. Look for us on our dedicated YouTube channel, subscribe to it as well. And why not make this wonderful dish, take a picture of it, and post it using #weekendatthecottage on your favorite socials like Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. This complete meal idea can be yours. The recipe is right for poached salmon with homemade mayonnaise. Let me tell you how flaky the salmon is. The mayonnaise, so flavorful. Wow. I'm gonna serve this for lunch, or maybe brunch, or how about dinner? Poached salmon is fantastic. Come on back and visit again soon. Take care. Beautiful.